Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So simply got here Kranzle K10 122, 10 litres, 120 bar. Machine runs at 2,800 RPMs. What I've simply got is a full package here. Foam bottle, quick release all the way around, so you've got your quick release on the outlet of the pressure washer, quick release hose, quick release into the gun. You've then got quick release into the middle section for the foamer as well. Pressure regulator, pressure gauge on the top there. Water inlet side. Like I say, this is the K10 122, 10 litres, 120 bar. This machine really needs to be working off mains. If you're asking it to suck, you'd need to be very close, but you'd ask it need to be feeding from bottom of a water source, so gravity fed at least, very close by. Quick releases, so it's all quick connect. Thank you very much. Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Always remember that this requires more power than the 10122. Thank you very much.